everybody, it's Vicky with Dementia with Grace. How is everybody doing today? Today we're going to talk about anger and the fact that I believe that anger is fear's bodyguard. I have heard that somewhere. I cannot find a source for it. What I have heard is anger is sad's bodyguard. I don't know that that's exactly true. Maybe anger is just a bodyguard. And so that's what we're going to talk about today. There are people on the group who are angry. They're angry with the dementia. They're angry with their family. They're angry with the way that things are working in the world. They're angry with the facilitator of the facility that they're in, the administrator of the facility that their parents are in. Just lots of anger bubbling up today on the group. And so I thought, let me do my video because in my words of wisdom set, I don't think I have one on anger is fear's bodyguard. So that's what we're going to talk about today. What I mean when I say that is that there are lots of feelings that are happening all at one time. You know, it's not just I'm frustrated. It's usually I'm frustrated and I feel defeated, or I'm frustrated and I feel out of control, or I'm sad and I'm angry that I'm sad. I'm angry that I could possibly think what the thoughts are in my mind, and you can fill in the blank there, plug in the hole there, whatever that is that you're feeling. Feelings. Now, I do have a video on this. Feelings are visitors, not roommates. And I do believe that you need to allow your feelings to come, allow what happens, whatever bubbles up, whatever is happening in your life, whatever you're feeling, allow yourself to feel that, because there is a reason for that feeling. There is a reason. It is teaching you something. It is there to open your eyes to something. A feeling is a gift. The feeling of sadness, the feeling of frustration, the feeling of overwhelm, the feeling of fill in the blank is there for a reason. It's there to encourage a solution to something that you know that you've got to take care of. It's there to facilitate a discussion that you know you need to have. It's there to show you where maybe you need to grow in your life, in your spiritual life, in your physical life. It's there to facilitate a conversation in a relationship that you need to amend or build or change or tolerate. Feelings are there to show you the way forward. That's what I believe. We don't feel anything and it not have a reason for being in our life. Now, if you are going to sit with frustration and allow frustration to move in and live rent-free in your head or in your heart, then that is something that you have to deal with, because you cannot allow a feeling to move in and live rent-free in your head. It will drive you crazy. Now, y'all know that I believe in shaking hands with the truth, and I am just here to let you know what I believe is true. Anger is fear's bodyguard. Every feeling has a component to it that's much more than just what you're feeling. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't know if it makes any sense. Maybe I'm making some sense. I hope so. Because there's a lot of anger in the group today. And, I allow, that's fine. It's fine to vent in the group and all of that. But we are a positive group. And we're going to encourage you quickly to figure out what's going on. Not just to vent. Not just to just vomit it out there into the world. And, you have to also, while you're feeling that feeling, you have to figure out, what is that feeling trying to teach me? Why is this visiting me? Why is anger visiting me? Why is fear visiting me? Why is frustration visiting me? What is it trying to teach me? That's what I'm trying to say today. So, if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. I'm very responsive to the comments. I check them every morning and every afternoon. Come on over to the group. The link is down below to the group. We're very responsive over there too. If you put down whatever you're feeling, you're gonna get a dozen responses before you can shake a tail feather. As we would say in the South, it's gonna be quick. People are there to help. They are there to be helped, and they are there to help. So come on over to the Facebook group. In April, I'm starting a TikTok. If you don't know what TikTok is, I love TikTok. But that will be in April. There's a new way to contact me through text messaging, and I will leave that down below. And also that is also being spread on the group today and from April now forward. But I didn't want to do it on April Fool's because I was afraid that y'all would think that it was an April Fool's joke, that I was putting my cell phone number out there for people to text, but I'm not. It's what we do. We text each other, right? And so I want you to be able to text me. Okay, I think that's it. I hope this has been helpful. Just to know that your feelings are there to teach you something. They're not there to torture you. Your feelings are not there to torture you. Your feelings are there to teach you. And maybe that will be the thing that's up here. Your feelings are not there to torture you. They're there to teach you something, okay? If you don't know what they're there to teach you, contact me and we'll work it out. I can help you with that, okay? All right, I'll talk to you soon. I love you. Bye. Mwah.